Today's math lesson is lesson 30. The lesson objective is to divide decimals by non-unit decimal divisors. 1F from their homework is 84 hundredths divided by 7 hundredths. The way that we will do this is we will set it up as a fraction. So if the problem is 84 hundredths divided by 7 hundredths, the first thing that we should do is rewrite it as a fraction. The next step will be to use our place value. Hopefully the kids can see that 84 hundredths, two numbers after the decimal place, is hundredths. Therefore, we will multiply by 100. Same thing on the bottom. 7 hundredths is in hundredths, two numbers after the decimal point. They will multiply by 100. If it were tenths, we'd multiply by 10. But it's not, it's hundredths. So we'll multiply by 100. Then we will do the multiplication. Now, the kids have been taught that when you multiply by 100, that's 2 zeros. So the decimal point will move 2 places to the right. So 0.84 will now become 84. Same thing on the bottom. The decimal point will move 2 places to the right because there's 2 zeros in 100. So 7 hundredths will become 7. 84 over 7 is equal to 12. And that's your answer for 1F, 12.